Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: CPU, RAM, free disk space, and power. This prevents mid-process failures. Next, make a complete backup. A system image and a recovery USB save time if you need to roll back. Then download the official ISO or use the Update Assistant so you have a clean source. Verifying the checksum ensures integrity. Once done, disable third-party antivirus and peripherals that could interfere, and make sure BitLocker is suspended if enabled. Then proceed to mounting the ISO. You now run the installer and choose whether to upgrade or perform a clean install. The upgrade keeps apps and settings, while a clean install removes clutter and corruption. During setup, pay attention to partition choices. Preserve the OS partition for upgrade, format it only for a fresh start. The installer will reboot multiple times. Let it complete without interrupting power. After Windows finishes basic setup, install chipset and GPU drivers first, then network drivers, because drivers optimize stability and performance immediately. You finish by running Windows Update repeatedly until everything is current. This also pulls updated drivers and security patches. Next, re-enable BitLocker and restore your files from the image or file history. Then reinstall applications in a controlled order so settings remain consistent. If the system fails to boot, use safe mode to remove conflicting drivers. If that fails, boot from the recovery USB and run system restore or automatic repair. One key tip: if updates fail, reset Windows Update components before attempting a reinstall.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.